Hey, it's Brian Garmadella from MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're on the Boston Whaler 21 Vantage. This boat is powered by a 225 horsepower Mercury outboard engine, 80 gallons of fuel capacity. So looking at this transom here, this boat is pretty dual purpose. For fishing, you want to leave these folded down. That's going to give you a nice platform. For casting, and then when you want to transition to a more social situation, simply fold these up on both the port and starboard side. This is a nice and comfortable seat. You got a nice grab rail here to hold on any rough ride. Now the capacity of this boat is for 9 people, so that's a comfortable amount with ample seating for everybody. So here we are on the port side lounger. So this seat will be really nice. You have guests, they want to lay down, sunbathe, relax. So a common thing a lot of boaters have, where do I put all my stuff? Storage here. Much larger storage under here. And then transition again to forward facing. Now this is a decent double wide seat. You could easily sit another adult next to you here. You've got cup holder access here, and I really like these soft cushions here. So if you did want to stand, you can knees and thighs against this while you ride. It's fairly comfortable. Now let's take a look at the helm and see what we've got going on. So I really like how the helm seat is a swivel single seat with a nice bolster. You sit up high, you've got clear vision right over the windshield here. Throttle controls, this feels very natural distance. Access to your VHF, your rocker switches, JL audio, and a nice SIMRAD screen. Adjustable steering, nice touch. Coming forward, windshield folds over nicely, locks in place so there's no rocking on those rough days. We've got a bow block off door. And again, keeping with our theme of storage, on a 21-foot boat, there's ample storage here. You've got racks for fishing rods. And let's see what we have on the port side. Great. All the storage does drain out of the boat, so if water does get in, your things will stay dry. Very comfortable seating forward. 2 adults, your JL audio speakers, 4 cup holders total. This is a really nice setup by Boston Whaler on the 21 Vantage. A nice feature that I like, you have little LED accent lights down low. Port, starboard, fore and aft, and midship. These will give a really nice touch at nighttime. On the port side in front of our lounger, we have ample storage, and this also doubles as storage for your nighttime anchor light. If you're interested in this Boston Whaler 21 Vantage, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.